Hi guys, I'm changing this Ford Fiesta, this lock, outside door lock, replace lock which I'm going to change on the car one, and this is the key which came. To change this lock, there's the tab, black tab there which you need to remove. I put this tape around it not to scratch my paint around, and you need one of this flap to just to pry out like this. I'll use this plastic trim remover to remove this trim black tub. This is the tub which came out from this location. There one screw inside this place. You need to use this RE torque set. You need to use this torque set to unlock this from inside, anti-clockwise to remove this lock. Just few 10 back. Now I put this masking tape around this on this door, around this lock area, not to scratch any paint. Now pull this cover off. You can use this same trim removal tool. You can use this again, trim remover, to remove it from the side. This cover, you can remove this cover easily. Now I need to wiggle this out. This rubber surface, you need to unscrew this until it's proper loose. Then you need to wiggle this out. Same time screw this back and wiggle this and pull it out. Should come out. There's a screw inside in there which is hold this up place. Now I'm going to fit this replacement. This is the old one lock which I removed. This is a new one which I bought for this car. Gonna clean this up a little bit around this area. I'm gonna put this back again. Tighten this back. Once it's fully tight, then stop and put this top cover on. Everything back in place. This top back in place now. Cover back in place. It's functioning properly. Thank you guys.